Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share 3 simple hairstyles that you can make every day or even for a special occasion. So let's begin. For the first hairstyle, make a hair section on top of your head. Secure it with a hair elastic. For some volume, gently pull some hair from the front. Now a little bit lower, make another hair section. Bring the hair back and secure with elastic. Repeat until all hair is tied. You can leave a ponytail or add some more hair elastics like I did. For the second hairstyle, make a horizontal section above your ears. Take a top section and divide it into 2 equal parts. Tie the hair in a knot. And then make a few more knots, as many as your hair length lets you. Secure them with a hair elastic. Repeat same with the bottom section. When both sections are done, place the knots the way they look good and secure with the bobby pins. For the third hairstyle, make a hair section on top of your head. Secure it with a hair elastic. Braid the side hair in a Dutch braid. I didn't make one, but if it's easier for you, make an additional section. Keep adding hair to the braid until it reaches the middle of your head, and then keep braiding without adding any hair. Secure the braid with a tiny hair elastic. Repeat same on the other side. Now twist both braid ends around each other and hang the top section's elastic under the twist. Secure the twist with elastic, and if you want, remove elastic that secured the braids. Add some bobby pins if needed to keep all in place. So, what do you think of these hairstyles? Comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to like this video. And I see you soon. Bye!